Hi Sagittarius, this is your monthly reading for the month of April. I'm going to look at your energies that are going to be around you in this month from 1st of April to the 30th of April. What is going to come to you in this time period? That is what I am going to see. So you will be in the King of Wands energy, and you are going to be practically very passionate regarding whatever you do. In terms of your attitude, you want to be free of all encumbrances. You do not want people to demand your time or your anything from you. So basically you have good fan following, you have good you get attention from people, you are quite popular, but you are in your own spirit in this time period, ready to embark on journeys. However, you are a bit conservative regarding what you give to people. So with the Four of Pentacles, you could be saving up or you have saved enough. In terms of money, you are a bit frugal. In terms of your feelings, you are not ready to open up. You could be a bit closed in this time period. You are evaluating your career, money, or academic situation. You are wanting to evaluate your situation to move forward, but you are also some kind of disadvantage in this time period with the Ten of Wands. Lot of work, you could be busy in work, busy in school, busy in your home. So there is lot of responsibility, accountability, and you have been doing this for a long time. Overwhelming energies could be around you, lot of things happening, maybe fast travel can happen, but some of you are feeling exhausted or drained in this time period. But with the Ace of Cups, you are going to feel better as well in this time period. So recoveries are possible for the King of Wands, male, female, whatever is your gender. You will be in this masculine King of Wands energy, very enthusiastic, very passionate, ready to travel, ready to move, ready to work on their creativity and passion, very strong, very determined in their approach. But there is something within this month you can feel Three of Wands in the reverse. So this can mean frustration, some kind of insecurity or hopeless situations because of too much competition around you or some kind of obstacles coming on your path. But with the Magician energy and the Nine of Cups energy, you will be overcoming this circumstance. That is what I am seeing. So in terms of your work, what I am seeing is with the Eight of Pentacles, you are going to make an effort. So effort will be made to overcome situations of competition, overcome situations of small obstacles on your path. And with the magical energy of the Magician, you are going to accomplish your goal. You are going to give lot of work and effort, correct your mistakes in this time period, start something new for which you are going to work a little bit more, because you could be feeling frustrated because of something, some goal that you had fixed for yourself and you had failed. So basically you are going to work harder. With the Magician and the Justice, you are going to get a balance in your situation. So you will be rewarded for your hard work, definitely, and you are going to manifest that. Ten of Cups is telling me some dreams can come true, and with the Six of Swords, you can be transported out of your messy, muddy, difficult, traumatic, stormy situation and moving to a peaceful peaceful situation very soon. So you are going to work hard, you are going to manifest your 10 of cups, you are going to achieve success in love, achieve success in your profession, your academic situation, and you are going to move forward. Right to safe passage will be given to you. Some of you will be traveling in this time period and working hard and manifesting new energies. Working on your craft is definite in this time period after a little bit of frustration in this month. So in terms of love, what you are feeling is you are going to show strength and authority in your love situation, patience, resilience, fortitude, a lot of character, and some kind of authority over your situation. You will be closed, conservative, not giving in to anyone's bullying, not giving in to anyone's bidding, and trying to be very, very powerful in a relationship. With the Ace of Cups, you will be finding new love, or you will be recovering in your relationships by being very strong and by being conservative. Six of Pentacles is telling me you'll be generous towards many people. You can have many friends, close friends, and things will be like you will get to see other people's generosity. You will not be so giving in this time period. So you might be dealing with others with a little bit of strictness. So in terms of your job, you are going to transform in your job or career. You are going to transform. Your 10th house energy is of the Virgo is your 10th house. In this house there is going to be an ending, and with the Sun card, in your Sun in 5th house, and then Sun on 19th will get into your 6th house. So there is an ending by 19th of April, or ending of some kind of academic session, ending of a job or project. There can be transformation, or thinking about new things will come in your mind. You will be recovering from situations in this time period. You will be either on new moon solar eclipse on 8th April, you will see some ending and beginning and transformation, or on 19th of April. After that, you will be seeing and a full moon in Scorpio on 23rd April. So Scorpio is your 12th house. So you will be seeing some kind of transformation in these days or time period. So second half of the month will be good for you, and you will be recovering from issues in your life. With the 10 of Cups, you will be seeing much joy, happiness, changes in your professional sphere. Some of you can be going for travel because of your work, or you will see change of passion in this time period. You will be moving away from indecision and something negative, addictive, or toxic in your career, profession, or money situation. You will be making a move or shift in this new time period. There is going to be some kind of change that is going to occur and give you some fuel and fire. By the end of April, you will see some great movements in this month. So you will be having a travel, you will be accomplishing some goal which will give you a lot of happiness. You can get some accolade, appreciation, name, fame, recognition after a transformation. So the transformation here means that after a frustration period, you are coming out, and then you are consolidating and finding some great results. So basically the outcome of the month will be temperance. So temperance is also identifying Sagittarius, so Temperance and Ten of Pentacles. So you will be secure, safe. Some new offer can come to you, which can be a long term thing, which will give you security. This can be a job offer, this can be a great big contract, it can be some money coming in, someone will be giving you some money, or you can have some opportunity in this time period. You will be very self reliant in this time period with the Nine of Pentacles, having your abundance, having your home, shelter. Whatever you do, you will be a self reliant energy and feeling very good, because Venus will be entering your sixth house, and Venus right now will be in the up to 29th of April, Venus will be in your fifth house. So you can achieve abundance, you can have long projects, you can work on long projects which will yield good money to you. So there can be some time off also in this period, where you will take a week's rest or a 4-day rest to get out of some kind of stress or high responsibility situation. So let's read out your card from the Lenormand, which is giving you an overview of the month. So you have gotten the 5 number card, the tree card. It is telling you to trust yourself before trusting anyone else in this time period. You will feel indebted towards loved ones, eager to dedicate your academic or professional successes to them. This month will be your energy of affection, and whatever sorrow that had been caused because of the efforts that you had made, you will make up for that. So you will be compensated in this time period, in terms of your feelings or in terms of your work. You are busy at school or work, and you thoroughly deserve your accomplished goal. Your job is satisfying and fills you with pride. Unexpectedly, a young person will be ready to help you and sacrifice something for you. You will reach your desired goal, career promotion, or graduation will be in your sight. Economic help will be received by you and your family. You know how to settle for things, and you are happy with what you have got. Whatever anxiety you had in the past regarding finances, they will be solved. Unexpected indemnity for an injustice which you have suffered will be cancelled. So cancelled fines, money can be recovered. Physical and material well-being will be prevailing in this month. You, in terms of your feeling, you have great values, and you can count on great family and friends. You live in perfect harmony with your environment, and you have solid relationships on which you can count. Unexpectedly, something is growing in your heart and in your house. If you have suffered sentimental sorrow, you will be compensated for that. So this is a great reading. I think, Sagittarius, you will have a good month. There is a possibility of wishes being fulfilled with the Nine of Cups, Nine of Pentacles, Ten of Cups and Ten of Pentacles, Ten of Pentacles and Ten of Cups and the Sun. Definitely you will be having great situations in this month. So look forward to the month. I wish you all the best. If you have liked this reading, please like and subscribe. If you have something to say to me, write it in the comment box. People who are going through issues can contact me for a personal reading. These readings are prepaid, pre-booked and pre-slotted. So decide and then write to me. My email ID is there in the description box just below this video. And please do like, share, subscribe. You can say super thanks. You can share my readings with your friends and family. Thank you so much. Bye bye.